metal mechanic industry has always covered a strategic position in terms of innovation and development in the context of Italian entrepreneurs. This has led it to compete at the international level on specific sectors, like, for example, the air-compressed production systems. Riem Service, in collaboration with the Department of Mechanical Engineering of L'Aquila University and with the involvement of leading industries in manufacturing of mechanical elements, has realized a process to refurbish the Series Z compressor elements. At the Rome headquarters, the rotors, which are dispatched from everywhere and require refurbishing, undergo an accurate operation, which restores the operation efficiency like the original. The parts subject to wear, like compression screws, bearings, seals, mechanical sealings, are replaced with new ones in such a way as to guarantee the highest performance. The outer part undergoes an accurate inspection, sanded and restored with the necessary coating. Our coating, the result of years of experience, gives the right protection and the self-lubricating capacity to the screws that make the rotor perfectly equal to the first one supplied. Once the refurbishing has been completed, every element is tested. Another strong point of our service is the production and refurbishment of pipe coolers, an integral part of compressed air systems. For more than 30 years, Riem Service has built coolers and also has the capability to rebuild on the basis of the geometrical and operating characteristics of the series of relevant compressors. The coolers are manufactured and assembled with a swage system that increases resistance to wear and facilitates their replacement. We are able to supply the first and second generation of coolers provided with certifications that demonstrate their heat transfer efficiency. Our service of exchange of regenerated drums allows us to dispatch the requested spare very quickly. Such regeneration, as you can see, allows us to guarantee maximum performance because the replacement of the drying bed is added to the refurbishment of the sealings and bearings.